ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች እንደምን ቆያችሁ? በባለፈው ቪዲዮ ላይ ዩኒት 2 ፓርት 1 ስለ ከቻፕተር 2 የወጡ የፋይናል ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራንላችሁ ነበር። ዛሬ ደግሞ ከቻፕተር 3 የተውጣጡ ጥያቄዎችን የምንሰራላችሁ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ፣ እንዲሁም ቪዲዮዎቻችን ከተመቻችሁ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር ኤንድ ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። በተጨማሪ ደግሞ ዛሬ የምሰራበትን ፓወርፖይንት ሆነ ሌሎች ተጨማሪ ማቴሪያሎችን ለማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የቴሌግራም ሊንካችን አለላችሁ። በዛ እየገባችሁ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ወደ ቪዲዮ። ነምበር 1 which of the following is widely accepted definition of learning? ስለ learning widely accepted የሆነ ዲፊኒሽን የትኛው ነው? A. It is a permanent change in behavior due to illness. B. It is a temporary change in behavior due to fatigue. C. It is a relatively permanent change in behavior due to experience or practice. D. It is a change in behavior because by biological factor. So the correct answer will be C. It is a relatively permanent change in behavior due to experience or practice. Okay, number 2. Which of the following is not the characteristics of learning? A. Learning is continuous modification of behavior. B. Learning is pervasive and affect all aspects of life. C. Learning is passive process. D. Learning involves the whole person, emotional and social and intellectual. So the correct answer which deals about not characteristics of learning is C. Learning is passive process. So C is not the characteristics of learning. Number 3. Which principle of learning emphasizes the importance of emotional readiness for learning? የትኛው ፕሪንሲፕል ነው ስለ ሌርኒንግ ኢምፓሲስ የሚያደርገው ኢሞሽናሊ የሰው ልጅ ዝግጁ መሆኑን የሚያሳይልን የትኛው ነው? ኤ ሚኒንግፉል ፕራክቲስ ፕሪንሲፕል፣ ቢ ኢንተንሲቲ ፕሪንሲፕል፣ ሲ ፊዚካል ኤንድ ኢሞሽናል ሬድነስ ፕሪንሲፕል፣ ዲ ፈርስት ኢምፕሬሽን ፕሪንሲፕል። So the correct answer will be C. Physical and emotional readiness principle. Number 4. According to the principle of learning, which of the following strengthens learning? የትኛው ከፕሪንሲፕል ኦፍ ለርኒንጎች ውስጥ ለርኒንግን ያበረታታል? ኤ ለርኒንግ አሶሺየትድ ዊዝ አንፕሊዛንት ፊሊንግ፣ አላስፈላጊ በሆነ ፊሊንግ የተሞላ ለርኒንግን ዊከን ያደርጋል እንጂ ስትሬንግዝ አያደርግም። ኤ ኢዝ ኢንኮሬክት። ቢ ለርኒንግ ዌን ስቱደንት አር ታየርድ ኦር ዲስትራክትድ፣ ተማሪዎች በደከሙና በተረበሹ ሰዓት ትምህርትን ማስጀመር የእነሱን የመማርና አቅም ስትሬንግዝ ሊያደርግ ይችላል ይላል። ዚስ ኢዝ ኦልሶ ፎልስ። ሲ learning accompanies by pleasant or satisfying feeling. So this one is a completely correct answer. D learning without period practice. So C is the correct answer, which deals about the principle which strengthens learning. Number 5. Which factor affecting learning involves the need for learner to be in a good health status? So which factor affecting learning involves the need for learner to be in a good health status? A. Motivation, B. Maturation, C. Health condition, D. Background experience. The correct answer will be C. Health condition, because health condition deals about the person's health status and their well-being of a person or an individual. So the correct answer will be C. Number 6. Which of the following is a core element of the behavioral theory of learning? ስለ behavioral theory of learning የትኛው ነው core element የሆነው? So behavioral theory is divided into two: classical or conditioning theory and operant ቲዎሪ ተብሎ ለሁለት ይከፈላል። ሶ ሜይን ኤሌመንቱ ወይም ዋና ሀሳቢው ምንድን ነው? ኤ learning occurs through cognitive process, B learning occurs as a result of stimulus response association, C learning involves insight and problem solving, D learning occurs only in social context. So you should have to try it. እስኪ ሞክሩ። የትኛው ይመስላችኋል learning? Before I reveal the answer, አንሰሩን ከማውጣቴ በፊት እናንተ ሞክሩ። 5 ሰከንድ ልስጣችሁ። So the correct answer will be B learning occurs as a result of stimulus response association. Number 7. In classical conditioning, what does a neutral stimulus become after it has been paired with an unconditioned stimulus? ምን ማለት ነው? ኒውትራል ስቲሙለስ ከአንኮንዲሽንድ ወይም ከናቹራል ስቲሙለስ ጋር ፔርድ ከሆነ በኋላ የሚሰጠው ስቲሙለስ ምን ይባላል ነው? ኤ አንኮንዲሽንድ ሪስፖንስ፣ ቢ ኮንዲሽንድ ስቲሙለስ፣ ሲ ኮንዲሽንድ ሪስፖንስ፣ ዲ አንኮንዲሽንድ ስቲሙለስ። The correct answer will be conditioned stimulus. So conditioned stimulus ማለት it is a stimulus that results from neutral stimulus plus unconditioned stimulus. The correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Number 8. What term refers to the natural response to an unconditioned stimulus in classical conditioning? የትኛው ተርም ነው ናቹራል ሪስፖንስ ቱ አንኮንዲሽንድ ስቲሙለስ ኢን ክላሲካል ኮንዲሽኒንግ ጊዜ የሚያመለክተው? ኤ ኮንዲሽንድ ስቲሙለስ፣ ቢ ኮንዲሽንድ ሪስፖንስ፣ ሲ አንኮንዲሽንድ ሪስፖንስ፣ ዲ ኒውትራል ስቲሙለስ። የትኛው ነው ናቹራል ሪስፖንስ ቱ አንኮንዲሽንድ ስቲሙለስ? ናቹራል የሆነ ሪስፖንስ ለአንኮንዲሽንድ ሪስፖንስ ምን ይባላል ነው? ኢት ኢዝ ኮልድ አንኮንዲሽንድ ሪስፖንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ሲ ኢዝ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር። Okay, number 9. In Pavlov's experiment, which of the following was the unconditioned stimulus deals about? በፓቭሎቭ ኤክስፐሪመንት ውስጥ there are different types of stimulus such as neutral stimulus, natural or unconditioned stimulus and conditioned stimulus. ከሶስቱ ስቲሙለሶች ውስጥ unconditioned stimulus ማለት ምን ማለት ነው ነው? የትኛው ነው? በፓቭሎቭ ኤክስፐሪመንት ውስጥ ዶግ አለ፣ ፉድ አለ፣ ቤል አለ። So which one is the unconditioned stimulus? So belu, it is a neutral stimulus. Food is deals about the natural stimulus which produce salivation, and natural stimulus is called unconditioned stimulus. So the correct answer from the list of choice is B, the food. So B is the correct answer. Number 10. Which principle of classical conditioning refers to the weakening of the conditioned response when the conditioned stimulus is repeatedly presented without the unconditioned stimulus? A. Stimulus discrimination, B. Extinction, C. Spontaneous recovery, D. Stimulus generalization. ይህ ምንድን ነው? አንኮንዲሽንድ ስቲሙለስ ሳይኖር ወይም ምግብ ሳይኖር ሁሌ ደወል እየተመታ ኮንዲሽንድ የሆነ ሪስፖንስ በፕራክቲስ የመጣው ሪስፖንስ ግራጁዋሊ በጊዜ ሂደት እየጠፋ የሚሄድበት ፕሮሰስ ምን ይባላል ነው? So the correct answer which deals about this thing will be B, extinction ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So B is the correct answer. Number 10. So this one is also already done. Okay, ወደ ቀጣዩ ቪዲዮአችን ከማለፋችን በፊት ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ፣ እንዲሁም ቪዲዮአችን ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ሼር ኤንድ ኮመንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። በተጨማሪ ደግሞ ዛሬ የምሰራበትን ፓወርፖይንት ሆነ ሌሎች ተጨማሪ የፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ማቴሪያሎችን ለማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቱብ ቻናላችን በኮመንቱ መስጫ ቦክስ መጀመሪያ ላይ ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ አለላችሁ። በዛ ላይ የተቀመጠውን የቴሌግራም ቻናል ሊንካችንን ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን እንደምትችሉ ላሳስባችሁ እፈልጋለሁ። አሁን ወደ ቪዲዮ። ነምበር 11 deals about what does stimulus generalization in classical conditioning refers to? stimulus generalization ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? A. It is the ability to differentiate between similar stimulus. B. The re-emergency of an extinguished response. C. The tendency to respond to stimulus similar to conditioned stimulus. D. The pairing of neutral stimulus with unconditioned stimulus. So the correct answer which deals about stimulus generalization is C. The tendency to respond to stimulus similar to conditioned stimulus. Number 12. Which term describe a learned response to a previously neutral stimulus in classical conditioning? So learned የሆነ ሪስፖንስ ለቅድመ ኒውትራል ሪስፖንስ in classical conditioning የሚሰጠው ምን ይባላል ነው? A. unconditioned response. B. conditioned response. C. unconditioned stimulus. D. neutral response. So the correct answer which deals about this question will be conditioned response, which is given for an stimulus which is previously neutral stimulus ለሆነ የሚሰጥ ሪስፖንስ conditioned response ይባላል ማለት ነው። So the correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Number 13. According to the operant conditioning theory, which type of reinforcement strengthens behavior by providing a pleasurable outcome? So ከሬንፎርስመንቶች ውስጥ የትኛው ነው ቢሄቨርን ፕሌዠር የሆነ ጥሩ የሆነ ነገርን በመስጠት የሚያጠናክርልን? ኤ ፖዚቲቭ ሬንፎርስመንት፣ ቢ ኔጌቲቭ ሬንፎርስመንት፣ ሲ ፐኒሽመንት፣ ዲ ኤክስቲንክሽን። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ዊል ቢ ኤ ፖዚቲቭ ሬንፎርስመንት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የስ ፖዚቲቭ ሬንፎርስመንት። Number 14. What is the primary difference between classical conditioning and operant conditioning? የክላሲካል ኮንዲሽኒንግ እና የኦፓረንት ኮንዲሽኒንግ ፕራይመሪ ዲፍረንሱ ምንድን ነው? ኤ ክላሲካል ኮንዲሽኒንግ ኢዝ ቤዝድ ኦን ቮለንተሪ ቢሄቨር ዋይል ኦፓረንት ኮንዲሽኒንግ ፎከስ ኦን ኢንቮለንተሪ ቢሄቨር። ቢ ክላሲካል ኮንዲሽኒንግ ዲልስ ዊዝ ስቲሙለስ ሪስፖንስ ሪሌሽንሺፕስ ዋይል ኦፓረንት ኮንዲሽኒንግ ፎከስ ኦን ቢሄቨር ኮንሲኩዌንስ ሪሌሽንሺፕ። C. Operant conditioning is based on physiological response while classical conditioning involves emotional response. D. There is no difference between the two. So the correct answer will be B. Classical conditioning deals with stimulus response relationship, and while operant conditioning mainly focus on behavior consequence relationship. So B is the correct answer. Okay, number 15. What is the term for process in which a previously conditioned response reappear after a period of rest? A. Extinction. B. Stimulus discrimination. C. Spontaneous recovery. D. Stimulus generalization. So previously conditioned የሆነ ሪስፖንስ ከተወሰነ ጊዜ በኋላ እንደገና ሪአፒር የሚያደርግበት ፕሮሰስ ምን ይባላል? The answer will be C. Spontaneous recovery. Number 16. Which factor influencing learning refer to the need for adequate rest and a balanced health condition for effective learning? A. Maturation. B. Physiological well-being. C. Health condition. D. Background experience. So the correct answer will be C. Health condition. Number 70. In Pavlov's experiment, which of the following is an example of conditioned response? A. Salivation triggered by food. ስለ conditioned response ነው የምናስበው እዚህ ጋር። B. Salivation triggered by bell. C. The sound of the bell. D. The dog itself. So sound of the bell itself is a conditioned stimulus, but the salivation triggered by the bell is one of conditioned response. C is the correct answer. Number 18. Which of the following is not one of the key characteristics of learning as described by Yukman and Simpson? A. Learning is continuous modification of behavior. B. Learning involves a change in organization of experience. C. Learning is unrelated to emotion. D. Learning depends upon maturation, motivation, and practice. So the correct answer will be C. Learning is unrelated to emotion. Number 19. Which factor affecting learning refer to the learner enthusiasm and drive to learn? A. Motivation. B. Maturation. C. Health condition. D. Physiological well-being. The correct answer will be A. Motivation. It is a simple question. Number 20, which is the last question of this topic. What is the role of reinforcement in behavioral theory of learning? ማበረታቻ መስጠት በቢሄቨራል ቲዮሪ ላይ ምንድን ነው ሮሉ? reinforcement weaken behavior. Reinforcement strengthen behavior by increasing the likelihood of its occurrence. C. Reinforcement has no impact on learner. D. Reinforcement only appeal to classical conditioning. So the correct answer will be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። የዛሬን ቪዲዮአችንን በዚህ እናበቃለን። ቪዲዮአችን ከተመቻችሁ ኮፒ ሊንክ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ኤንድ ኮሜንት ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። እንዲሁም ቻናላችንን ጆይን ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። በተጨማሪ ደግሞ ዛሬ የምሰራበትን ፒዲኤፍ ሆነ ሌሎች ተጨማሪ የፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ማቴሪያሎችን ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ የተቀመጠላችሁን የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ጆይን በማድረግ የአገልግሎቱ ተጠቃሚ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ መልካም ቆይታ